Unlock a faster, more rewarding Starbucks experience by mastering the art of Apple Pay. First things first, let's get your Starbucks Rewards card linked to your iPhone. Open the Starbucks app, tap on the Cards tab at the bottom, and then select Link a Card. Here, you'll need to enter your Starbucks card number and its security code, usually found on the back of your physical card. Once entered, tap Link Card. You should now see your Starbucks card listed within the app. To make it even easier to access, let's add it directly to your Apple Wallet. While you're in the Cards section of the Starbucks app, look for the option to Add to Apple Wallet. Tap this button. This will present you with a preview of your card. Simply tap Add in the top right corner. And there you have it. Your Starbucks card is now in your Apple Wallet, ready for quick access. When you're at the register, simply open your Apple Wallet by double-pressing the side button on iPhones with Face ID or the home button on iPhones with Touch ID. Your Starbucks card will appear. If it's not the default payment method, swipe left to select it. Then hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal until you see and hear confirmation of the payment. The magic doesn't stop there. Your purchases made with Apple Pay through the Starbucks app automatically count towards your stars, earning you those delicious rewards. Enjoy the seamless blend of convenience and loyalty.